This is a real head turner. This 2013 Corvette could be yours today. It's the 60th anniversary edition 427 4LT Convertible. This car only has 6,288 miles. Great deal can be made on this car today. It's already quite on the exterior. It has that blue diamond interior and a beautiful blue convertible top. Under the hood, you'll find a 505 horsepower LS7 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. This is going to be a fun car to drive. Factory features include the $10,575 60th anniversary 4LT package. This includes the blue diamond interior with leather-wrapped door panels and dash, embroidered headrests, specific interior and exterior identifiers. It has suede accents for the steering wheel, shift boot, the parking brake boot, and also door panels. ZR1 rear spoilers on this car, and it has gray brake calipers. The car has a power top, heads-up display, tilt-n-tele, memory package, Bluetooth package. Well, everything on this car is powered, just as you would expect. And this car also has the $3,995 carbon fiber ground effects package. It has the F55 magnetic selective ride control and machine face competition gray cup wheels. It has carbon fiber floor panels, hood, Z06 fenders, Z06 brakes, quarter panels, front bumper, and it has the Grand Sport suspension as well. This is just a beautiful car. Take a look at the video here, but also go to our website at buyavette.net. We have some very beautiful detailed pictures of this car. This is an absolutely beautiful 2013 Corvette 60th anniversary edition. And it's here for you. And as we said, just a little over 6,000 miles. Financing is available on this car, and we can ship these cars anywhere at a very reasonable rate. You'll be surprised. We ship nationwide and worldwide every week here at buyavette.net. So give us a call. We're buyavette.net. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette experience. We're here and available at 770-414-5552. Give us a call anytime. See you real soon.